going on, guys? Today we are back and we're about to hit the trails. We got Cory, we got Boy, and myself, and you might notice there's something new on the 85. Comment if you figure it out. We started off the day pretty simple. We found some small boulders around where I filmed the introduction shot and decided to stretch the legs on our rigs a little bit. After climbing for a bit, we found ourselves at a pretty wicked lookout looking over Moyie Lake. The trail coming out of there was slightly scary, only because the trail was off camber on a bank with a cliff just below.
undercover. A nice suit and a family name. Says he'll make me a star if I just play the game. But that man doesn't know that I am bulletproof. Keep one foot on the sky and a foot on the roof. I'm not doing this to try to make a name. I just like the way it feels on me, the way it looks on me. Still got the fire when you try to be a flood. 'Cause I like the way it feels on me. That little rush, rush, rush of blood. I hear your secrets, I know your plans. Ain't no way out without your blood on my hands. I talk to demons, I scream your name. They always say the best for the businessman. I'm not doing this to try to make a name. I just like the way it feels on me, the way it looks on me. Still got the fire when you try to be a flood. 'Cause I like the way it feels on me. That little rush, rush, rush of blood.
Okay, so Cory was trying to climb this rock here, and I mean, it was all going good until he pinched the steady bearing on his drive shaft, and now it's a little crumpled, and now he needs to replace that. So yeah, now let's just get off the rock, and today's probably done because of that. Oh well.
Rolling hundreds in the holy water. Just a backseat driver flying undercover. Different faces, but they're always the same. Say they'll make you a star if you'll just sign your name. But that man doesn't know that we are bulletproof. Keep one foot.
As soon as we got back to my house here, we ran to Lordco and we grabbed a new steady bearing for it. And yeah, we're gonna replace that now. I'll show you the damage of the steady bearing itself when it's out.
I'm not doing this to try to make a name. I just like the way it feels on me, the way it looks on me. Still got the fire when you try to be a flood. 'Cause I like the way it feels on me. That little
Okay, the new steady bearing is on the shaft, and yeah, time to throw it in the truck and she'll be mint again. And that's about it. Our day got cut a little bit short because Cory broke, but hey, that's what happens when you wheel these Toyotas. They're gonna break from time to time. As I'm sure some of you guys figured out, obviously, the 85's got 37s now. That's what I was talking about in the beginning. That's what I was talking about at the beginning of the video when I said that there's something new on it. More to come on that build, probably next week. Anyways, guys, if you like this stuff, please remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.